Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Villa. In this video we are going to learn how to take backup of a WordPress website. Let me tell you before taking the backup that why backup is really important for a website. Let's say you are migrating your website to some other website, some other domain. So what you do is you back up your site and then you upload that backup to that site that you're making, and you get the same user interface or same website available there. Okay, so what we have to do to migrate our site or to take our backup of our site, all you need to do is go to your plugin and add new plugin. All you have to do is type here all in one. So if you type all in one, you'll find here all in one WP migration plugin. So you have to install and activate this plugin. Actually I've already installed and activated it, so I'll go to here and I'll just click all in one WP migration. Okay, so I'll just click here, and once I clicked here I'll get the option of exporting. So I'll export from here and click export file. So once I have clicked here, the process will start, and it will take a little bit of time to analyze that how many files are there in this particular website. So till then just wait for 10 minutes almost it will take. So let's wait. So now you have got the file of 107 MB. So this is your backup file that you have to export from here. You have to download it gradually. So it will take, of course, it will take some time to get downloaded according to your net speed. So I just gonna click here, and now you could see that it is being downloaded now. So it will take some time. I'm going to fast forward this video for some time, and once it is downloaded I'll just let you know that. So now that the file has been downloaded, so all you have to do is just show in folder, and here I have got the backup file. This is my backup file. So let's say you want to upload this backup file to a new WordPress or a new domain. So what you have to do is you have to go to your website again, and all you need is same plugin again. So here is the plugin, and you have to click on import. So just click here, click on file, and just download upload that file that you downloaded. So here it is. Okay, fine. So all you have to do is just click here and open this file from here. Okay, now it will start importing your file and all your data will transfer. So that's how you can migrate your website from back up your website and can migrate it as well. Okay, so that's it about this video. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. That's it. Bye bye.